This pack of accessories for buildings and streets provides 185 new items, complementing our first pack of accessories for buildings and streets. As always, the props have PBR materials and neat meshes optimized for animation projects. Looking for a good performance while keeping a realistic aspect. In that way, several items in the pack are provided with attached subprops that can be animated independently, expanding the possibilities of interaction with the characters of the animations. For example, the street barrier has a subprop that can be rotated in its local axis, allowing to open or close the barrier. The dumpers and the refuse bins can open their covers and move their wheels. The rooftop vent one has a rotating fan that can be animated simulating the wind on it. The point of sale has an independent drawer that can open and close, and its screens can rotate. While the towers have all their antennas attached, allowing you to modify their positions or sizes, creating a limitless number of antenna variations. In a similar way, the hour and minute hands of the street clocks can be selected and rotated in order to set the desired time, or even to simulate time-lapse animations. Notice that some subprops have their bounding boxes yellow, meaning that they will generate animation keys in the timeline. While their parent objects have blue bounding boxes, meaning they are static objects that can be modified in any point of the timeline, not generating new keys. Nevertheless, you can always change this status in the scene manager, switching from static to animatable, and vice versa. The time showed in the stand panel clock can be set as well. To do so, select the digit you want to change in the material editor, and select the base color map. Then, scroll down until the UV settings panel. There, ensure that the Affect All Channels option is enabled. Now you can change the number shown in the panel, just modifying the V offset of the color map. So, for the first digit of the hours, an offset of 0 will show the 0 digit. While moving down, an offset of -0.1 will show the digit 1, and an offset of -0.2 will show the digit 2. Repeating the process in the second digit of the hour, it can be set from 0 to -0.9, in order to show a number from 0 to 9 in the display. You can change the two digits of the minutes in the same way, just selecting the digit and setting its negative offset. Notice that the digits displayed are just part of an image that you can edit. If you want to change the font and color of the display numbers, send the image to your image editor, and replace the numbers on the image for the ones that you prefer. Just remember to keep the size and proportions of the original ones. To set the temperature of the stand panel thermometer, we use the same offset material trick. Here, there is one symbol that can be minus or plus, depending if its offset is 0, or -0.1. Another material is the scale, that can be Celsius when the offset is 0, or Fahrenheit when the offset is -0.1. Finally, the temperature itself has 3 digits. The first one, called digit T1F, only can be blank or 1, and it's intended to be used just when the scale is in Fahrenheit degrees. The other 2 digits can be set from 0 to 9, using the same offset modification. In order to facilitate the customization of the props, all the screens, banners or flags have independent UV maps, making very easy their replacement for new images using any external editor. It allows you to personalize many items, adapting them to the specific needs of your project. In the kiosk too, the products of the shelves are actually simple planes, but subdivided and tessellated using a displacement map. If the kiosk appears far away in your scene, you can simplify this prop, just deactivating the smooth mesh feature, and reducing the tessellation level and the multiplier in the material editor. The plane will recover its simple flat aspect, but in the distance, nobody will notice. Additionally, some of the items provided in this pack have the label morphs in their icons, meaning that their shapes can be modified using the Animation, Morph Animation menu option. This feature, and the facility to change the material of the prop, allows you to create and save in your custom library a limitless number of this kind of items, just using iClone tools. Although the props of this pack can be used in any kind of project, they have been designed and optimized to work in combination with our other urban construction packs. Remember that there are 2 bundles, and 1 mega bundle, to get all the building modules, streets, sidewalks, accessories and decals, with a reduced price. They provide a complete modular solution to build infinite variations of urban environment inside iClone. Thanks for watching, and hope you'll find this video useful.